Are you sailing on a Carnival cruise ship soon? Well, here is everything I ate on board. This ship was the Carnival Horizon, but Guy's Burger Joint is on every ship, y'all. This is my first stop. If they have Shaq's Big Chicken, I will go there, which is only on the newer ships. But at Guy's Burger Joint, I got the pig patty burger with a side of fries. You always got to get their fries, y'all. And then I sailed on this ship with my mom. She went to the Lido marketplace and got some random stuff. The only thing that was on this plate for me was a birthday cake cheesecake, which was very good. There is always dessert in there, there's always fruit. And so that is the one thing about Lido Marketplace that is good. I personally don't like buffet food, so I'm not in there a lot. But yeah, so for dinner the first night, of course, we went to the main dining room. You start off with your bread, and this night we chose to get drinks just because it was our first night. So we just wanted to cheers to having a great trip. We were there celebrating both my mom and my aunt's birthday. And then for the appetizer, I got a Caesar salad as well as a menu item from Emerald Selects. So on Carnival Horizon, they don't have the Emerald's restaurant, but they do have certain things on the menu, which are called the Emerald Selects. So I got this appetizer, and then I also got the barbecue salmon, which was probably one of my favorite dinner options in the main dining room. So that was day one. And then day two, we went back to the main dining room for C-Day brunch. I also got more things from Emerald's, which I did pay extra for, the beignets and the shrimp and grits. And then for lunch, I went to Blue Iguana Cantina, which is included, and I just got two street tacos, but that wasn't all I ate because I was just still exploring the ship and I wasn't full. So I went to Cucina del Capitano, which is the Italian restaurant on board. So they have a pasta bar for lunch, which is included in the cost of your cruise fare, and then for dinner, it is an extra charge. So it really was empty up in there. So the service was very quick. You just filled out that form with all the pasta and all the toppings that you want, and they bring it over. But first, I did get a Caesar salad and some bread. The garlic bread was really good, and the Caesar salad was just the same Caesar salad that you'll get anywhere on board or at least at the main dining room. But that bread was really good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So that was just my appetizers, and then I did just get pasta with some, peppers and mushrooms in there. It was okay. Is that not something that I would like definitely 100% recommend? Like you can create your own, but it wasn't anything special. But y'all, the dinner I had that night was so good. This is from Guys Pig and Anchor. This is extra. This is the loaded fries. So good, y'all. The next day I woke up pretty late, so I didn't get breakfast, but I did get Guys Burger Joint, got my normal pig patty with some fries, and I was just out on the Lido deck watching a Disney movie. And then later on, of course, we went back to the main dining room where I got calamari. This was one of my favorite appetizers. I love me some calamari. And then for my main entree, I got this pasta. This was really good. It was like a crawfish pasta. So I would actually say that this night was probably my favorite night in the main dining room just because of the food that I did select. And I wasn't done there. I also got some salmon because to me the portion sizes vary based on what you get, and I wasn't sure about the portion size for the pasta, but I am glad that I got this salmon as well. And then for dessert, I just got 2 scoops of pineapple sorbet. They do have a lot of flavors, but sometimes dessert takes too long to come out, so it depends on if I feel like waiting or not. But that night I did. And then the next day I had an excursion. So this is not on the ship. This is actually in Cozumel. So I just wanted to share that because this food was actually pretty fire. And then for dinner, we went back to the main dining room where I chose to get some fish with mac and cheese and veggies. This was another good option. I think the food was really good on this cruise. Like I went on the Mardi Gras before, I've been on the Celebration, I've been on the Vista, but the food on the Horizon is really good. And then for dessert, I got some more sorbet. The next day, we went back to C-Day brunch and I got this pancake. This is so good. Like, this is probably one of my favorite things in the C-Day brunch besides getting the Emerald Selects, which is extra, which I did last time. This pancake is just so good. It's super sweet though, so just beware. And then for lunch, we went to Guy's Pig and Anchor, but this is for the lunch buffet, so this is included in the cost of your fare. When I went the other night and got those loaded fries, that is an extra cost, but this is probably one of my favorite meals because look at all that meat, y'all. If you love you some meat, love you some barbecue, you're gonna love Guy's Pig and Anchor whether you go for this lunch or dinner. But y'all, just look at the plate. It is full. Collard greens, chicken, brisket, sausage, beans, and some bread. I didn't need to go for seconds after I went there, y'all. And then for dinner, like always, went back to the main dining room and got me some Caesar salad. And I don't recall what other appetizer I got, but it looks like it's like some sort of onion ring. And then for my main entree, I believe this was some lamb chops with some fries. And then my mom got this salad. So that was all we ate on the Carnival Horizon ship. I 100% recommend you sailing on a Carnival Horizon. It was so much fun and the food was great. So let me know what you think and let me know when you're sailing on the Carnival Horizon or another Carnival ship.